Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. First, log into your Binance account and locate the P2P trading section. Once there, select the Sell tab. You'll then choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell, like USD or BTC. Next, filter the available buyer offers by your desired fiat currency and the payment method you prefer to receive funds. This ensures you find suitable buyers quickly and efficiently. After filtering, select a buyer who has a high completion rate and offers a competitive price. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell, for example, 100 USD. Then, choose your preferred payment method from the options you've already set up. It's crucial to carefully review all the order details, including the amount and the buyer's terms, before you confirm the sale. Once you've confirmed the order, wait for the buyer to transfer the funds to your designated payment account. This could be your bank account or a mobile wallet. It is absolutely essential to verify that you have received the full and correct payment amount before proceeding. Double-check your bank statement or payment app. Only after confirming the payment has arrived should you click to release the cryptocurrency to the buyer. Throughout the process, maintain clear communication with the buyer using the chat feature provided. Remember, never release your cryptocurrency until you have absolutely confirmed that the full payment has been received in your account. If any issues or disputes arise during the transaction, do not hesitate to contact Binance customer support immediately. They are there to help resolve any problems and ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.